Louisiana woman, Mississippi man. I was like, do I know Louisiana woman? But I don't sing it with just anyone. I'm just saying. The song doesn't really work unless you know what you're doing.
Or you're just good at faking your way through the country.
Well, that's what I do.
Do y'all still like old school country music? Anybody out there? Conway and Loretta, that's as classic country as it gets, I believe. They did a bunch of duets together. One of them very wholesome and the other one definitely not.
Well, this one's about swimming. See you while I go. With a Louisiana woman waiting on the other side, the Mississippi River don't look so wild. Yeah, Louisiana woman, baby, we get together every time we can. The Mississippi River can't keep us apart. There's too much love in this Mississippi heart.
There's too much love in this Louisiana heart. I thought me in love, but I never had till I was wrapped in the arms of a Mississippi man. When they hold me close, well it feels almost like another hurricane just to rip the core. If it can't come to me, I'm gonna go to hell. Around Mississippi River, gonna do my sweat.
Hey, Louisiana woman,
Mississippi River,
we get together every time we can. The Mississippi River can't keep us apart. There's too much love in this Mississippi heart.
there's too much love in this Louisiana heart.
Well, the Mississippi River, Lord, it's 1 mile wide. I'm gonna get me to the other side.
Oh, Mississippi man, I'm losing my mind. I had your loving just one more time.
I'm gonna jump in the river, honey, here I go. Daddy, look at you swim too slow. Louisiana woman,
Mississippi
we
man,
get together every time we can. Mississippi River can't keep us apart. There's too much love in this Mississippi heart.
there's too much love in this Louisiana heart.
There's too much love in this Tennessee heart.
There's too much love in this Minnesota
Kari, was that fun?
That was double the fun.
Double the fun.
Uh-huh.
She loves it. She loves doing those, but I need a nap after that. Why don't you do a song?